How to sell gift cards on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own product or where you can buy the other seller's products. So for example, as you can see in here, you have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's just check one of these products pages. For example, let's choose this one. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page exactly like this one for your own products, how to add the pictures of your products, how to set the price, set the options like the size, engravement, or anything you have in your product. Then I will show you how to add the product details and the description as well. Then I'm going to show you how to set the shipping and return policies that suits you. So let's get to it. Let's close this products page, go to the main one, go to the shop manager button in your top right, click on it, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps as you can see in here. And the first step is the shop preferences, then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you get paid, you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is name in your shop. So here, let's choose a name for the shop. Remove the spaces between words and make the name between 4 and 20 characters. And as you can see, the name is already taken. So you can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number to make it unique. Just keep changing the number until you find the one that is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before proceeding to adding the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that you need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. Here you will need at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of the product, obviously. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the last one is shipping. You will need to do the same like the listing details. You will need also to fill all of these red fields with the right information, of course. Then let's just start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here you enter the title of the product. Then we move on to answer these 3 questions. who made it. You have three options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category in here. So let's just type the product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's choose the third one. Then here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's choose, for example, brown. The secondary color, let's go with pink, for example. And here we have the occasion. You can choose one in here. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to go with the manual, which is free. So I'm going to choose the manual. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. For me, it's a physical product. Then you have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. You can fill their details. And then for these three, the section tags and materials, they're all optional, so let's just skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, just enter a good price for your product. This is just an example, guys. Then we move on to the shipping. So here, make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information, like this, for example. Then we have the processing time. Let's select one. Let's go with the 5 to 7 days. And for the delivery time to Morocco, let's say 10 days. Everywhere else, let's say 18 days. Then you have the returns and exchanges. So here you can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another policy in here, or you can even create your own by choosing what you're going to accept and what you're going to refuse, and you can also choose the time frame. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.